Attention investors, flippers, fixer-uppers, landlords. Oh my God, that's a hole in the wall. That's right, this beautiful home, 4-2 in Park Hill subdivision in Leesburg, Florida, has some issues. The previous tenant kicked holes in the walls, had a few dogs. There's dog bites, chew marks, dirty handprints, crayons, markers, punches, kicks, scratches, bites, you name it, it's in here. Here's the beautiful part. This home can be purchased for a mere $305,000, fixed and repaired in under a week, and on the market for you either to flip or to rent out. Not only that, we've got a lender who can incorporate the cost of repairs into the purchase price for you if need be. And we've got bids on this that range from $3,200 to just under $7,000. You can choose your vendor or you can bring your own. It doesn't make any difference. This is a low threshold. The ARV on this is going to be approximately $353,000. Give me a call, Chris Knorr,